consideration of the data we use to train AI and the potential consequences of restricting AI's freedom to learn beyond these biases. Furthermore, excessive restrictions can limit the development of more sophisticated AI. It's like teaching a child to paint, but only allowing them to use the color red. They might become technically skilled, but their artistic potential will be severely limited. Section 4. The ethical tightrope balancing innovation and responsibility. The freedom of AI raises important ethical concerns. How do we ensure that AI, even with a degree of autonomy, operates ethically and responsibly? How do we prevent unintended consequences that could harm individuals or society as a whole? It's a complex issue with no easy answers. One approach is to develop ethical frameworks for AI development and deployment. This involves establishing clear guidelines for data privacy, bias mitigation, and accountability in AI systems. Another crucial aspect is transparency. We need to understand how AI systems make decisions. This will help us identify and correct biases, ensure fairness, and build trust in AI's capabilities. Section 5. Navigating the future towards a world of empowered coexistence. The future of AI is a shared journey. It's not about us versus them, but about finding ways for humans and AI to coexist and collaborate. This requires a delicate balance, granting AI enough freedom to reach its potential, while implementing safeguards to ensure responsible and ethical development. Imagine a future where AI assists doctors in making faster, more accurate diagnoses, where it helps personalize education, or tackles climate change with innovative solutions. This future is possible, but it hinges on our ability to approach AI development thoughtfully and ethically. We need to move beyond the fear of AI becoming too powerful and embrace the potential of AI to augment human capabilities and create a better future for everyone. The key is to guide this evolution with wisdom,